and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about my 1 month experience trying Amazon influencers. So today we will be talking about, is it worth it? How much did I make in that first month? And some beginner tips and tricks. So for those of you who do not know what the Amazon influencer program is, the Amazon influencer program is when you go to Amazon and you click on a product that you're thinking about buying, you might see a little video underneath the listing images. Now, when you click on that video, you will see a long line of user videos. Now, these are influencer videos. So they are not the same as just writing a review or posting photos in a review. You must be in the Amazon influencer program to actually be earning money. So most reviews or people that take pictures of a product and then write a text-based review aren't people that are making money doing it, but that is exactly what I do. I make money posting review videos of products. It is so easy. Now, when I first tried it, I was like, you know what? Let me give this like a good 3 to 5 days and see how it goes. Within that first 5 days, I had already made $100 and I probably only had about 30 or 40 videos posted. So once I realized that, I was like, okay, so this is working. It's extremely easy. All I have to do is take something like the sign behind me and say, hey guys, I purchased this sign on Amazon. I really like it because I can change the colors. It comes with a remote control. It is LED lights and it does not get hot. I do unplug it when I am done with it, but it is quite large, as you can see, and very bright. So that within itself can be an Amazon influencer review in which you can get paid for every time someone watches your video and purchases the product. So my 1 month experience with Amazon influencers has been extremely positive. By the end of my first month, totaling about 70 videos, I made $300. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but then once you realize that you can take 5 good days a month and just review products and post them to Amazon, then you'll start seeing your income keep going higher. Plus your old videos are still making you money. So it is a really easily buildable side hustle that starts bringing you income immediately, and you don't have to go to Amazon and buy all these products to review them. Most things in your home are already on Amazon. So whether you purchased it from Target or Amazon or Walmart, as long as it's in the Amazon catalog, you can review it and earn commissions every time someone watches your video and purchases the product. So my first month, I made, I believe, $300 or $400. This to me was a really good sign because I hadn't put in that much effort. My video quality was so bad, and half of the videos had my face in it, half of them didn't. I was really kind of just saying, side hustle worth it. And I would say 100%, this is one of the easiest and fastest growing side hustles that I have tried. I have tried Amazon merch, Etsy, selling like digital downloads on Etsy. I have tried a dog treat business, which I was selling through Amazon. I have tried Amazon FBA, where you import products from China and sell them on Amazon's platform. I have tried so many different side hustles, and by far, the easiest to get into, the easiest to learn, the least amount of steps, and it is basically foolproof. The only things that I would say as a beginner that need to be really clean and concise, now having been in the program, is the entry process. Now, I do have a step-by-step guide down below that walks you from A to Z. That means like literally you have no social media, which this is not a social media platform, but you do need a social media to get into the platform, and you don't need 1,000 followers or anything like that. It is just, they just want to see if you can have engagement on other social platforms so that you can have engagement on their platform. That's the only reason they ask for a social media account. So I talked to you guys about how to do it from 0 followers, no social media, all the way to people that are really good with social media content. So it will be a step-by-step, like I am holding your hand. And, you know, I've taken other people's courses to kind of see what I was missing in mine, etc. And I do have to say mine has been the most complete course. And it also teaches you some growth tips because I am now earning $6,000 a month on Amazon influencers, but I have figured out a way of taking those same videos I made and pushing them to other platforms to make extra income. So the best beginner tip I would give you, I did not do this and now I am backtracking, is start a master Excel sheet. This is going to help you so much in the future. When you sign up for influencers, you're also going to sign up for Amazon Associate. And when you create your videos, you are going to title them. Now, in your master Excel sheet, you will have an Excel sheet that looks like this. It will have the title, the ASIN, which is how we tag a product, your Amazon Associates link, and that way your thumbnail, if you want to do a thumbnail, your video, and everything on your spreadsheet will be super organized, because there are some tricks and tips to boost your income, which I do teach down below in my course on how to really repurpose your videos. And instead of having to backtrack later after you realize how profitable this program is, you are going to be clean and set up from the start. So in my course, I do provide the Excel sheets. I do provide different tips and tricks. So I would absolutely check that out. So the final question is, and I've pretty much already answered it, is the Amazon Influencers program worth it? And the answer to that is 110%. It is so worth it. I had no idea where it would take me, but now I am a full-time Amazon influencer, and it quickly outpaced my regular income from my 9 to 5. And I work on it when I want to work on it, and I don't when I don't. I am at the beach and getting paid. I am doing this and I'm getting paid. And if I order something for the beach, I'm reviewing it and getting paid. So it's like there is so much you can do with this program. Plus, if you decide you like this program, what you will be doing is building a UGC portfolio, basically. So instead of UGC content creators working backwards, you're now making money from the start with UGC, and that Amazon Influencers program is now going to give you the content you need, the leverage you need, the visibility, the sales revenue, everything you need to start taking higher paying promotions or briefs. So now I get so many lists of products from people that sell on Amazon asking me to review their product. If I want it, I usually accept it for free. If I don't want it, I charge anywhere from $150 to $250 for me to review their product and post it to my Amazon influencers. So not only do I get free product, I get paid upfront by the company, but now I also get that residual income from anybody that watches my video on Amazon influencers. So 100%, I absolutely love it. I was running my own businesses and working a 9 to 5 when I found this program. And when I started, I had no idea how quickly it would take over pretty much everything. It is like my full-time entity. Now I just focus on growing and teaching other people like yourself how to make as much as I do, if not more, because I'm not putting in much effort. So if you guys want to make a lot more money than me, you could very easily. So check out the course link down below. It is jam-packed with so many good tips and tricks. And like I said, A to Z, I will hold your hand the whole way through.